Hi guys, this is Dimo from Dimo Lingo. That is our 10th session from Germany with Dimo level A1. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for subscribing us. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please do it now and push the bell button to give us energy to go further. If you make any mistake, please forgive us. That's unintentionally and sometimes would happen. We're trying to make the best videos with the good quality for you, dears, to learn something from me. That would be my honor. Thank you for subscribing and supporting me. Previous session, guys, we have learned about the articles in German language, and we understood that there are three main articles in German language, and also one of them is plural. That would be four. I mean that instead of der, we have four things: der, die, das, die, and instead of a or an, we have three: ein, eine, ein, and nothing. Also, this session we are going to go further to learn more things, to make more sentences. So let's go. For example, I'm going to let me go bring these things to the next page. Let me bring it to next page. So, for example, I'm going to ask you, was ist das? Was ist das bedeutet, what is this? What is this? Actually, this does doesn't mean this does. I mean that it's not the article, guys. It means it. Was ist? What is this? Das here means it. Let me write it in the parentheses. It means it. And do not confuse, do not make a mistake. Do not say this one is the article. No, actually that's not the article. And the answer, let me write, for example, Buch, guys. Buch means a book, okay? So the answer should be Buch. I would say that is a book. Buch is das. The article of that is das. So I would answer like that. Das ist ein Buch. Ein here means that is a book. That is a book. That's actually indefinite one. That is a book. That's ein Buch. Let me copy that and make some more sentences. Good. So I would say that, for example, die Tasche, guys. Die Tasche means the bag. The bag. Tasche means the bag. I would say, was ist das? Then I said, this, the second one, das ist means this. This is. That's not the first one, is not the article, guys. Das ist eine Tasche. Warum eine, guys? Warum eine? Warum weil eine? Because Tasche is die, and we have learned previous session for die, we should use eine, and that's very important, okay? So pay attention to this extra e. Das ist eine Tasche. Das ist eine Tasche. Then, for example, I will write, for example, der Monitor. Monitor means the monitor. The monitor. Okay, I will say, was ist das? Was ist das? Then I say, das ist ein Monitor. Warum ein? Der Monitor ist der. Monitor ist der. So when we have das und der, then we should use ein or ein. And plural forms, guys, I should ask like this: was sind das? Was sind das? We have learned before in that table that we have conjugate the verbs. We used der. We used the sind for the plural one, for the sein to be verbs. Okay, was sind das? Then I say die sind or das sind. I can say das sind. For example, Bücher. Bücher means books. Books, the plural of that, Bücher. Das sind Bücher oder das sind Taschen. Good. So here's the questions that we ask, and we should answer it normally. That's easily. That's the things. But now I'm going to make them negative. You know that I will ask, for example, I mean that I'm going to ask yes/no questions. For example, I would ask, is that a book? And you say, no, that's not a book, that's something else. Is that a chair? No, that's not a chair, that's the other things, of course. So I would ask like that. Ist das? So that's exactly like English. This is a book. Is this a book? We change the subject and the verb together. So I said, ist das Buch? Ist das Buch? And then you should say, nein. Nein bedeutet no. Nein, das ist. So what should we use for a negative one? Let me complete this table now. Der, ein. Negative one is kein. Kein is not. Not for nouns, okay? Kein. It means a not. Negative. Okay? Negation. Kein, keine. Exactly. Thanks for the people who guessed it. And keine. And then kein. And actually here we have keine. Plural one. We have also keine. So let's go through that. Das ist, so Buch ist das, then I say, das ist kein Buch. Das ist kein Buch, okay? Was ist das? Das ist eine Tasche. Then let me ask you a question. Ist das die Tasche? Ist das eine Tasche? Tasche ist die, then I write here, eine Tasche. Ist es eine Tasche? Then I would answer, nein, das ist keine Tasche. Das ist keine Tasche. Ist es eine Tasche? Nein, das ist keine Tasche. For example, das ist ein Auto. Das ist ein Auto. That's a car. It's not a bag. Actually, that's a car. Der Monitor. Was ist das? Das ist ein Monitor. Let me ask you a yes/no question. Ist es ein Monitor? Then I would answer negatively and I would say, nein, das ist kein Monitor. Das ist kein Monitor. This is something else. And if you want to ask it positively, actually like previous ones, you say, ja, das ist ein Monitor. Das ist ein Monitor. So easy we can answer these questions. Das ist ein Monitor. Then was sind das? Das sind Bücher. Then I would say, sind das Bücher? Sind das Bücher? And I would say, sind das Bücher? I would say, nein, das sind keine Bücher. Das sind keine Bücher. Das sind etwas, something else. So as you see that, we can easily make questions, we can easily answer them, and we have to know the articles of the nouns which we use it. That's important. That's very, very important that we know the articles. So previous session I told you guys, from now on, when you see a noun, when you see a name, you should memorize it with the article of that and also with the plural of that. Step by step, you will learn all the things, and then you will understand, for example, the names that we have, for example, E at the end of that is there, or that is das, or so. But it needs time, it takes time. So be patient. Then this language is like a mechanical thing, that's like a machine. Be patient, you will learn it better and better through the times. I mean, you should spend the time for that. You should focus on that and learn it. That's not hard, and that's easy, and that's very, very sweet language. Good. For example, let me tell you some more things. For example, the glasses in this language would be die Brille. Die Brille. And plural one would be die Brillen. That get one en, die Brillen. So a mouse, that would be die Maus. Die Maus. And the plural one would be die Mäuse. Die Mäuse. Die Mäuse, yeah? Die Mäuse. Laptop, I told you. Book, I told you what's that. And which nouns should I say that would be, you use it in your daily conversation, and that would be very, for example, this one is a t-shirt, das t-shirt, yeah? We say das t-shirt. Das t-shirt is the things that we use it. This one is the Kette. We call it die Kette. Die Kette means a necklace. Necklace is the Kette. T-shirt, we need a hyphen of that. So that's the things. And the plural of that is a Ketten. The t-shirt, I think, is the t-shirts, yeah? There's a very good dictionary, guys. You should use it here. And let me write the t-shirt. Let me write shirt of that. then you can understand is that really a German one. T-shirt, the plural one is t-shirts, that gets one s. T-shirt, t-shirt. Okay, the plural of that is gets one s. You can use dictionary.cambridge.org. That's a very, very suitable dictionary. You can use it, and that's very practical in your learning, through your learning journey. Good. Our session is finished. Let me see next sessions. Yes, next session a little bit we will learn about the possessive articles, guys, and also about the family members, and also about the job during the sessions. Thank you for watching us. Thanks you for subscribing us. I'm Dimo from Dimo Lingo. If you didn't follow us and subscribe us our channel, please do it now. Give us energy. Take care of yourself, guys. Till next session. Bye bye.